Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another personal custom set that I will be wearing. I wanted to try something new. It's going to be spicy. As you can see, I have these really spicy stickers. It's going to give bad bish energy. So I'm very excited. We have an array of purples and pinks, and we're going to be using matte as our top coat by Decals. So without further ado, let's get into this foundation. Don't ask me why I usually have the nail set in front of me, but I don't know why I had like them further on into the corner, and then I was like going from the corner to pick one up at it. I don't know. I was probably distracted. My child was around. I don't know. But yeah, we're just buffing these shine off, you know the drill. And then we're gonna go in with our nail buffer and smooth those surfaces out, and then go in with our primer and base coat, and then we're going to apply our color. So I did the first coat and cure for 60 seconds and did the second coat and cure for 60 seconds. I am using I don't want to say a muted pink, but just a pink for the thumb, purple for the index, black for the middle, and a neon pink for the ring, and a really light baby pink for the pinky. I just wanted to go with colors that correlated with the stickers at hand, and these are water decal stickers, so we are going to have to submerge them in water. I'll tell you a funny story about that in a little bit. I was going to put the sticker in the middle where the black is, but I don't know what that sticker was. I couldn't make it out per se. Like it was underwear or panties, but I don't know where the leg began and where the leg ended. I don't know. It was tight. I don't know what it was. So we're just gonna add some rhinestones to this middle finger, and it's still gonna be cute. So after I added that second coat, like I said, I cured for 60 seconds, and then we are going to get to the fun part, which is the water decals. So this part right here, so for this hand, the one that is on camera, it came out pretty nice. I had to read the instructions. Reading is fundamental. So, but I will say the instructions said to submerge in water or to put in water, soak in water for seconds. It didn't say how many seconds. So I was just waiting for a long ass time to do this. And then, I would say about a minute, 60 seconds, like a minute to get these things rolling off. But please peel off the front sticker first. For my second hand, I ended up, I don't know what I was thinking. Again, my mom was everywhere when I was doing these nails. I ended up putting the second set with the film on top, with the cover on top. And so when I went to take them out, I was like, why does it feel like this? Why isn't it coming off on the nails as smoothly? It's because the damn film is still on the top, and I literally had to finesse and work my way to get these stickers off because they were breaking apart. Oh my gosh, it was just a hot mess and very time consuming. So like I said, reading is fundamental, and just pay attention. Pay attention to what you're doing. Because I wasn't, and I had more work to do. So just keep that in mind when you're working with water decals. I did get these decals from Amazon, so just in case you are interested, I love this set. You know, it's very feminine and sexy, and I like what I like. So I am excited to wear this set. I don't know where yet, but I have a pretty good idea. So yeah, if you are interested, I will try to find the link and put it in the description box for you guys. But like I said, these are just regular decals that I got from Amazon. And that multi-purpose tool, like I said, comes in handy. Okay, it's scraping all that water away. You do want to make sure that you are taking out excess water, just so whatever top coat or matte coat you are using, it just covers properly, because you don't want any air bubbles or water bubbles after your finished set. So I had my lint-free pad there to take over that excess water, and with my rubber tool, I'm just pushing the excess water out, so everything can be smooth and in place. So now I'm going to add a black outline to the nails. I didn't cure anything. I didn't do anything after I applied those decals. I just made sure they were dry. That was it. You don't have to put them in a UV light or anything like that. I want it to look like a pop art design. or give that type of feel to it. So we are going to cover this in matte, like I said, and try to do those accent marks along the ridges of the nail as well. After we outline, I'm going to go in with the black and then go in with the white afterwards, after I cure for 60 seconds with these nails. Oh yeah, and another thing, also, my bad icon, my thumbnail was upside down, and by the time I realized it, I was like, nope, I am not changing it. It's still gonna be bad. It's still gonna look good. So yeah, it is what it is, and it still came out great. I don't care. I don't care. So now we're going to add our rhinestones to the middle finger, and I usually, with bigger rhinestones, I apply my top coat first, and then I get my rhinestone gel and dab that while it's wet on there, and then I apply my rhinestones for that extra security. And then I cure for 60 seconds, but I want to make sure that these gems are placed how I want them, because they will swim. They will swim like Dory. They'll just keep swimming and keep swimming. So make sure that they are in place how you want them, and then quickly, expeditiously put them under the UV light so they can set how you want them to set. But I'm going to do that for the middle finger, and then I'm going to go back in and add smaller rhinestones in between the diamond heart and teardrop. we're going to go through these nails with our matte top coat, like I said, to give us that pop art look. We're not going to worry about the middle finger because that's one that I wanted to be left with a glossy finish, and the other nails to have a matte coat just for that contrast and that look in between. But baby, when I say these things came out so cute, and if you see the other hand, you would even have guessed that I had to work to put those things back together. But this is the final look, guys. I love them. Like I said, that thing is upside down. I don't even care. Okay, I'll wear these things out. But I love how they came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you would rock these. I am in love. These are so gorgeous. I'm just drooling at them out over these things. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. And until next time, guys, be safe out there. I'll see you guys later. Bye.